A strategy you can use to help solve multiplication equations is skip counting. This means that you are counting up by other numbers other than 1. So if you're skip counting by 2s, it means that you go up 2 each time you count, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So to use this to help us solve multiplication equations, we're going to look at 3 times 5. The second number in this equation is 5, which means we're going to skip count up by 5s, like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay? Now, we know that we need to go up 3 times. We need to skip count 3 times because that's what the first number in the equation is. So we're going to skip count by 5s 3 times. So we have 5, 10, 15. The third time we skip counted by 5s, we got to 15, which is the third group of 5. So that means that 3 times 5 equals 15.